So welcome back to our channel. We are Tealies, a boba tea and tea shop located in Canada's wine region, Niagara-on-the-Lake. So for this tea series, we're going to be making the Thai chai boba tea. So we have a whole kit of this and on our website that we can link to you. So this kit comes with 100 grams of Thai chai loose leaf tea, 50 grams in each bag, 300 grams of tapioca balls, and 20 boba jumbo straws. Great! So we're gonna get started with the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to making our Thai chai, sorry, it's a tongue twister. So what we have first is that we're going to boil our water, and we added 260 milliliters of water, and we wanted to go a little bit more than 250 because it does get evaporated when you apply heat. So I'm just going to pour this over here. Onto our cup that's on the stove. Turn this on, and I'll put this onto high heat so that the water can boil. So our water is finally boiled. So we lowered the temperature, and that way we can add our loose leaf tea in. So we have that prepped right here. And if you don't want to create a mess, you can use our tea leaves unbleached tea bags here, so it doesn't have any harsh chemicals going into your drink. So I have that here, and I'm going to grab 2 tablespoons of this. Alright, so we're going to let that steep in for 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so it's been 4 minutes since we were steeping our tea. So I'm going to pour it into this teapot using the strainer here because we are using loose leaf tea and we don't want that going into our beverage. But if you do want a lot more cleaner way of pouring your tea, we have this cup here where you can put the loose leaf tea inside here, so it doesn't get into the liquid, and then it'll steep naturally with the hot water in there. So for now, we're going to pour this into our teapot here. So I'm going to grab my little crab glove because I don't want to burn myself. That would be really unfortunate. Okay, I'm going to do my best to pour this in. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay. So the reason we want to steep it for 4 minutes is because we do want that deep amber hue that's really iconic with the Thai chai, sorry, such a hard word to say. So I poured all of the liquid in. Okay, so the strainer caught some of the loose leaf tea. And it should look like this. I don't know if you can see that really like deep amber. So after steeping our tea, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And as I said, we use organic sugar cane here at Tealies. So I'm just going to grab 1 tablespoon of that, put that in there. And then after, to make it extra sweet, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. We're going to mix everything together. So we want to mix it into our reusable boba cup, so it's double sealed vacuum, so that it can keep your drink hot and cool for longer. And it also has like a silicone resealable lid, so that you can add water, smoothies, any other beverage you want, or you can use the boba straw, which is perfect for the bubble tea. You can pick that up on your website because we want to reduce waste and be more conscious about the environment. Oh, I should probably also mention that it comes with a little straw cleaner specifically for this straw here. So easy cleaning. That way you don't have to go out of your way to get one. So I have a whole cup of ice here, so I'm going to pour this, oh wait, nope, we don't want to do that yet. We have to add the most important part, the tapioca pearls. Okay, so I'm gonna grab one big spoon. I'm gonna get 3 spoonfuls of tapioca pearls. Put that all at the bottom. There we go. And then we're going to pour the ice in. Now we are going to pour the tea in. So for the finishing touch for our drink, we're going to add evaporated milk. And we're just going to pour that around like that. So it creates a really cool like marbly look to our drink. You can add as much as you want. I'm just going to put a little bit. And if you like, we can add whipped cream to it. I'm just going to put a little bit so I can put the lid on top. So it looks like this. Ooh, it looks really cute. And then I'm just going to stick my lid on. And for the grand finale, I'm going to go try it. Oh my god, this is great. This tastes sweet, cinnamony, a little bit spicy. So this is a perfect drink to pair with any spicy dishes because it complements well with it. And also, if you kind of have a spicy burn, this can help alleviate it because it has some like milk contents in it. Oh, this is really good. Alright, so that concludes our Thai chai bubble tea tutorial. Again, please give us a like and a subscribe or follow us on our social media channels. We do have an Instagram and a Facebook that we will link to you. And again, here is our Thai chai boba tea kit that you can purchase on our website that we'll link for you. And here's our reusable boba cup. And the really cool thing about this, like when you reseal the silicone lid, you can mix all the ingredients all together so you get a taste of all the flavors. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you at our next video. Bye.